Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this product. So this is a TV wall mount. So this is a Monster Mounts Gold. So can be used for flat or curved TV, and it's also tiltable. Yeah, so it can fit 37 to 65 inch TVs. Yeah. So I think this is the model number MT6411-E. So slim tilt mount. Okay, I'll show you the back of the product. So here's the specs. So the dimension. Hope you can see that. So it can be tilt to 0 to 10 degrees. Okay, then this is movable. So it depends on the size or the position of the TV holes at the back. Okay, so here you can see some guide, some tools needed for installation. You need the stud finder for the wall, and some screwdrivers and wrench. Okay, so I'll open this now so we can see what's inside the box. Probably cut the part. Okay, to show you what's inside. Okay, so there's another box. Okay, so it comes with the papers, documentation. So some I think probably the installation guide. Okay, then let's see what's here. So this one can find some, all the screws needed for installation. So it's well packed with the letters. Okay, then put it back. You want to lose this. Then next is this one. So open this one. So these are the part where you place the back of your TV. So one on each side. So take the plastic out. Yeah, okay. So this can be loosened, so you can tilt. That's probably a 10-degree tilt for the TV. Then you can tighten. Okay. The next is this one, where you mount on the wall. It comes with the level, with the bubble level. Yeah, so it's very convenient, so you don't need the spirit level when installing this one, so you can use this one. But I don't know how accurate is this one, because I heard some reviews, but these are not so accurate, so I can check it out. Illustrate where it goes. So this one mounted on the TV, and this one mounted on the wall. This one mounted on the wall, and you can see there's a hook there, and just hook like that. Then you can adjust the screw the back to lock it in. So that's it. So you can place the other one on the other side. Okay, that's it. So I will be installing this one on my wall and with the TCL TV, so please come back and watch the installation video. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.